Hmm. Okay. So Yogiraj, who is the first student? Elia, which identity we can use to solve this? Correct, correct, correct. So I'll write by using identity. See, all of you can just now focus on listening and seeing, and you can note down later. I'll send the images in the Google Classroom. By using identity, always write the identity x plus a x plus b equals to. Next, Ramika, what is the formula for identity x plus a into x plus b equals to? Correct. Next, Angelina, by using this identity, how can we multiply them? Is my screen freezed? Good, very good. Uh, yes, now. See, we will use this identity, Angelina, this identity. Use this identity to multiply these x plus 4 and x plus 10. How to write this? Hmm. Correct, very good. So it will give us x square plus 14x plus 40, and this is the answer. Is it clear how we use? Just in chat box, everybody tell me what percentage you understood of this concept, how to use these identities. Okay, there were 20 plus students. I want 20 replies quickly. Just taka taka fata 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 fata. Okay. If you don't understand, write 0. If you understand thoda thoda, you can write 50, 60, whatever is your percentage. Just write it. Right? Okay, 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 okay. So it gives me an idea how should I go with the next question. Okay, okay, done. Very good. Okay, now I'm doing the. Okay, so now I'm doing first question, second part. It is saying x plus 8 and x minus 10. Next, which identity we will use here? Birjit, which identity we will use, beta? Birjit. See, I gave these identities na here. These identity which discussed, we will use these identity to solve the questions, hai na beta? So now I am asking for the given question number 2, x plus 8, x minus 2, which identity will be used from these? First, second, third, fourth, which identity we will use? I am asking to Birjit now. आई एम आस्किंग टू विजिट नो रुको बच्चों जरा चलो ठीक है दोज हु आर सेइंग देयर इज अ कंफ्यूजन See, if it is like x plus 8 and x minus 8, the meaning is this content is same, this term is same, and this term is same. Only then we will use the identity 3. What is the identity 3? Identity 3 says x plus a and x minus a is equals to x square minus a square. Okay. Now, but here you can see it is 8 and it is 10. So, in this case, we will use another identity which is x plus a and x plus b. Clear? So, we will not use the third identity, we will use the fourth identity. Who is next, Yuvraj? Bitu. What is x plus a and x plus b equals to? B2. X plus a into x plus b equals to? B2 bete. Okay. Next, धनंजय, you can see the identities which I asked you to write. अभी देखकर बता सकते हो, अभी याद नहीं हुई होंगी ना. So you can open the book, you can see the identities. Or I also asked you to write them. X square, it is identity 4. Plus, see is this same this identity, but I will use the same identity which we used in above question. हाँ. नेटवर्क स्लो है बहुत. उधर गया ही नहीं अब तक. बच्चों को अभी तक दिखाई नहीं, मैंने जो लिख दिया. ठीक है बच्चों. So this is identity we will use. But here is a trick in those questions. What is the trick? If you compare the things, we have x plus 8 and x minus 10. So in place of A, I have 8, but in place of B, I have minus 10. So wherever in the identity I have B, I will put minus 10 there. Na? So it will become x plus 8 and x minus 10. So who is next? हाँ. आधे घंटे के बाद थोड़ा सा लैग हो रहा है नेटवर्क की वजह से, पर मेरे लाल क्या करा जाए. चलो तुम लोग मुझे एक अभी जो है जियो फाइबर गिफ्ट करो, सब लोग पैसे इकट्ठे करके. समटाइम नेटवर्क इज स्लो. अभी आ गया. हाँ चलो. सो हु इज द नेक्स्ट वन? अनेलिया. अनेलिया is x plus 8 and x minus 10, what it will become? Okay, so in place of A, I just put 8. In place of B, I just put minus 10. है ना? This just note this down. है ना? This is the important thing. चलो, अभी note down मतलब keep it in your mind. Don't note in book. So it will become x square. Okay, who is next? Julia, how to solve it further, beta? How to solve this x square plus 8 minus x, and this what will be in the next line? Julia, beta x square will remain x square, है ना? How to write 8 minus 10? स्क्रीन पे ये तो दिखाई दे रहा है ना, लास्ट आइडेंटिटी जो मैंने लिखी है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 8 माइनस 10 एक्स प्लस 8 मल्टीप्लाई माइनस 10. उसको बस ये बता सोल्व कैसे करना है आगे. अभी बताओ बेटा 8 - 10 को कैसे सोल्व करेंगे? यस बोरिस आप बताओ बेटा। -2x -80, correct. Very good. And this is the answer. Correct. Thank you, Boris. You can do the remaining questions. है ना? And now I am doing, no need to note down, I'll send the images in Google Classroom. Everybody please join. See, there are two different things. One is Google Link, Meet, where we take the class online. And another is Google Classroom, where I will post assignment, you will submit homework. है ना? So they are two different things. Everybody join Google Classroom. Okay, the third question part is homework. First question, third part is homework. I am doing the fourth part. Y square plus 3 by 2 and y square minus 3 by 2. Okay, so who is next? Margaret, which identity we will use? Okay, x plus y and x minus y. Now you can see what is happening here. Here the first term is same. The same is happening here. First term is same. Here the second term is also same in the identity. Second term is same. But what is the difference? The difference is just the sign. Here it is plus, here it is minus. Here it is plus, here it is minus. है ना? So we will just, okay. So we'll just follow these, the pattern. है ना? You can see. We will follow the pattern and on the basis of that we can find what identity we will use. Who is next? Joshita, if x plus y, x minus y, what it is equals to? It is identity 3 beta, it will be equal to? Correct beta, x square minus y square. Who is next? Lungthina, we know which identity we will use. Now please tell me by using this identity, how to solve it, what it will be equals to? Lungthina. Hmm. Correct. Who is next? Milky, is this correct? Y square minus 3 by 2 square. What will be the correct thing? Instead of minus, should plus. Okay, next. Boris, what will be the thing? Yes, it will be y square to the power 2 because you can see in place of x we have y square. है ना? So we are squaring the blue thing. So here the in place of blue thing I have y square. So I will square that. And then we squared the green thing in the formula. Green thing is square. Here in place of green we have 3 by 2. So we will square that. है ना? And in formula it is minus, so it will be minus. So you can just write it as y to the power 4. Why I write y to the power 4? We know if a to the power m to the power n, then the powers will multiply. We use this identity and it will be minus 9 by 4 and this is the answer. Okay. Okay. So now these are the questions. What I am not giving too many questions in a homework. What is your homework today? So your homework is learn all identities, write identities in notebook, and third, send them to Google Classroom. I'll create an assignment in Google Classroom. So everybody join the Google Classroom by that link. You will need to install a app. So no question in homework. Everybody just cram. Tomorrow I will take a oral test. Now you can think that in oral test we can open the book and we can tell. So you can do that if you want, है ना? Now I believe in your honesty. I can't go come to your home and I can check the that you are opening the book or not. Now it is about our mutual belief. I believe you, you believe me. So tomorrow everybody will give the oral test very honestly. So that's why everybody remember cram all the 8 identities. These 8 identities which are here, है ना? And you can take the screenshot. These are also in the book. Note them down, learn them, and tomorrow we will be a test. Okay, so we are left with a question. uh, who was asking the question? I'll discuss the question in quickly. Exercise 2.4 and question number 5 part 2. We will do it quickly. What was the question? Who asked this question? Please, can you please tell me the question? I don't have book now, right now in my hand. What was the question earlier? Huh? Minus 9x plus 5. Anybody please write this in chat box. Anybody write this in chat box, please. Okay. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Is it correct? So okay, we are supposed to factorize this. So we'll start by putting the values of x equals to 0, then plus 1, then minus 1, then plus 2, then minus 2, then plus 3, then minus 3 in this format. Hai na? So first of all, I'll write x equals to 0. So I'll find p equals to 0. P equals to 0 will give me 0 to the power 3 minus 3 0 square minus 9 into 0 minus 5, and it will give me minus 5, which is not equal to 0. Hence x minus 0 is not a factor of px. So 0 is not there. Now I'll check for x equals to plus 1. So p of 1 will be equals to 1 cube minus 3 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. It will give me 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5, and it will become minus 16, which is not equals to 0. Again, x minus 1 is not a factor of px. It will show in 1 or 2 minutes. It is lagging because of network. Then I will check at x equals to minus 1. P of minus 1 will be equals to minus 1 to the cube minus 3 minus 1 square minus 9 minus 1 minus 5, and